Hello there once again, biology students. This is the video for week 14 of Mr. Charlton's biology class. We talked about this last week, but just to remind everybody, this week, because the teachers will be working on campus on Monday and Tuesday to get the classrooms ready for students next week. Not all students, of course, just the students that are on the approved list through the office. There won't be a class session on Monday and Tuesday for biology class. Now, that's not for every class. Make sure you check in with each teacher and know what you're supposed to do for them. What I have done is I've extended your time to work on the work from last week. So that includes the basic genetics worksheet and the practice problems that we started to go over in class, along with the notes that we took on how to do genetics problems. So those 3 assignments you have until Wednesday instead of doing on Monday like they normally are. I'm going to try and put out the answer key to the worksheet and the practice problem so you can check to make sure that you're doing it correctly. And then we will move forward later on this week with a little bit of learning, which is what I'm going to show you right now. Okay. If you are a parent and you're asking, well, how do I get my student to come back to school? I know that there's a maximum number of students allowed right now. Not everybody can come back. You want to check with the office on that. I believe priority has been given to seniors, students with disabilities, students who are struggling with their classes, and students having connection, like wireless connection issues. So if you think that fits you, I would call the office up and see if there's anything that can be done about it. But not all students are coming back, and we'll still continue to do digital learning like this next week as well. I will just be doing it from my classroom instead of doing it from home. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, let's take a look at what you got going on this week. It is going to be like a shortened week because I gave you the extra time on the assignments from last week. So week 14, like I said, no biology class on Monday and Tuesday. That doesn't mean your other classes may not be in session. So again, check with those teachers. When we come back on Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to learn about a different kind of genetic trait called codominance, which has to do with blood type and the AB, and O blood types. We'll talk about that. And then based on the information I go over in class on Wednesday and Thursday, you will have 6 more practice problems to do. So the notes will go here once we've taken them. And then the practice problems look very similar to the ones we did last week, although they are different. And we'll talk about how they're different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, use the same steps for these practice problems that we did last week, where you do the letters, the drawing, the Punnett square, your ratios, and then make sure to answer the question. Okay. So like I said, pretty straightforward week. We're going to learn codominance, and then we will do some practice problems around it. Pretty straightforward. Okay. With that, I will then see all of you on Wednesday or Thursday. You can send me a Jupiter message or text me if you have any questions, like you always can. And then Friday will be a check-in meeting, like always, to help you out if you get stuck on any of the problems or need any kind of help. All right. Have a good one.